Welcome to Podcast Title, where we dive deep into the tools and technologies that empower developers today. I'm your host, your name, and today we're exploring something particularly fascinating, the world of source code comprehension and the role of tools like Sourcetrail. Now, most of us have been there, looking at a complex code base, feeling overwhelmed and, frankly, lost. Wouldn't it be incredible to have a tool that helps us navigate through the unfamiliar territory of code, making us more productive? Well, that's exactly what Sourcetrail aims to do. Sourcetrail is a free and open-source cross-platform source explorer. For those of you on Windows, Mac, or Linux, this tool is designed to help you gain insights and improve productivity with unfamiliar source code. It supports a variety of programming languages like C, C++, Java, and Python, which pretty much covers a lot of ground. But let's not just get caught up in the technicalities. Imagine you're stepping into an old library. You're surrounded by books. Some of them are dusty, and you have no idea where to find what you're looking for. Sourcetrail acts a bit like the librarian here, guiding you to the right shelf, or in tech terms, it gives you a visual representation of your source code structure. Isn't that a great analogy? Now, before we go further, let's talk about how to set it up. Installation sounds daunting, right? Well, it can be as simple as running a couple of commands in your terminal or using a package manager. For Windows users, for instance, a quick Choco install Sourcetrail will get you started. How cool is that? It's almost magical, like casting a spell to summon the tool you need. Once you have Sourcetrail up and running, you'll want to dive into the Quick Start Guide. This guide is your roadmap to understanding how to utilize all the features. I'll tell you this, as with any powerful tool, there's always a learning curve. But that learning curve is what can turn you from a novice into a wizard at navigating complex code bases. And here's a pro tip. Get involved with the community. The makers of Sourcetrail have an issue tracker where you can report bugs or request features. Imagine being part of a project that not only enhances your skills, but also contributes back to a greater community of developers. Speaking of community, I'm curious, what is it about tools like Sourcetrail that resonates most with developers? Is it the ability to understand code faster, or just the sheer joy of solving puzzles? I'd love to hear your thoughts. As we wind down, let's reflect on some key insights we've covered today. Sourcetrail is more than just software. It's a bridge into understanding your code better. Its visual interface makes navigating vast code bases not only feasible, but, dare I say, enjoyable. Plus, the fact that it's open source reflects a commitment to community and collaboration. So whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting, consider giving Sourcetrail a try. You might just find yourself less frustrated and more productive when approaching that next daunting project. Thanks for tuning in to Podcast Title. If you enjoyed today's episode, share it with fellow coders, and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, keep coding and exploring the amazing world of software development.